Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to add a line break in Microsoft Excel. So if I have a text here and I wanted to add a line break, if I click enter, it just moves to the next cell. So if I wanted to add a line break to break this up into two separate lines, I put my cursor where I want to add the line break, and then on my keyboard, I'm going to press down on Alt plus Shift. So let's put my cursor and then do Alt plus Shift. Now, as you can see in the same row 29, I have a line break. And I'm going to add another line in same cell. So now I have line breaks in one cell just by doing Alt plus Shift on my keyboard. So that is how you add a line break in Excel. If you want to know how to remove a line break, I have another video on that. Just see the video in the top right of your screen. Click it to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please like and also leave a comment. See you in the next video.